Guangzhou's Xiaobei area is known as a Little Africa because there are many Africans working and living there. In 2009, it was reported that there were around 100,000 Africans living there, but the population has declined a lot. Now, according to the local media report, there are only around 20,000 Africans living there. So, in this video, we're gonna see if Africans are really living here much.
你有去付吗？啊，有去老师。没事。
快点去吃。Hello massage。
massage。
这个给。哇。我找乱。哇，买不着的 OK。他在搞直播呀。
不行。
喂。
不行。不行。啊，不行。
什么？
一点wait，等一下。
哦，等一下。好，你好好皮。好，你给我了。
钱付好了。哦，你付吧。
支付宝。
哦。
他在搞直播，你看。
这个多少？
这个给你便宜，朋友。啊。
没事。便宜多少？
便宜个。
啊
OK。多少个？how many？
啊？
看拿过来了 OK。小心。
回来。
喂。
明天。
哎，买不到了。今天 OK， 今天一个比我也吃不满的。我另外不要看5-0。
明天可以。
今天 OK 了，为了吃不满的了。
现在没有。
为了你现在我看你在搞直播，按照你，我知道你在搞直播呀。
啊？
我说你在搞直播 ，I know you 在搞直播。
Country。
Chinese you 在直播 ，I know English。你是 OK， 飞不的 OK 了。买不到了 OK 了 ，IDB OK。
40块怎么样？
可以，就给你40块，朋友。
啊
？OK， 给不给？支付宝。
I don't want to buy this. But she like had to force me to buy it. 那个。钱付好了。
OK， 小心那个掉了，等一下，哎，对，小心。Hello， you want to buy？ Hello。
不是。abang tahu saya.
Tahu sana lah.
Nanti ki.
你小心这个掉了，等一下这个，你等一下还有分你多哈 ，OK， 出给了 OK， 你赶紧一点。
好了。Wow. This is our Guangzhou. This is welcome to Guangzhou. Wow. This is like a Turkish restaurant. We just come out from here. So now I'm going to take you guys a side where Africans are more than Chinese here in Guangzhou. This city should be handed over to Africans. So anyway, we are here. Let's go and explore this amazing place. Wow, that's amazing. Whenever you see this bridge, you should know you are in Xiaobei. Bushy. Yeah. The place don't seem to be like China. Yeah, a lot of things are happening here that are different between other cities in China. Yeah. Here you can see a lot of homeless Chinese people. Wow, the view of the cars from the road is amazing. Yeah. You can see a lot of homeless Chinese people here. Yeah. Oh, it is raining here in Guangzhou, but thankful now the rain has stopped for a little bit, so people can walk around easily now. Yeah, and apart from Africans, you can see a lot of foreigners in this amazing location. Oh, you can see Africans.
Initially, there were so many Africans in Guangzhou because Guangzhou was the biggest trading hub for textile goods. Everyone needed clothes, shoes, bags, so African businessmen started to come here to do trade. There are also many Indians, Arabs, and Eastern Europeans here doing international trade.
Welcome to the side of China the internet has never tell you about.
You will see less Westerners doing this type of business because normally this is already dominated by mega corporations like Walmart. Since China economies boomed in 1990, thousands of Africans migrated to China. Most of these migrants were from West Africa. Many Africans left Indonesia and Thailand and went to Guangzhou after the 1997 Asian financial crisis, and the economic opportunities attracted more. In Guangzhou, Africans are generally engaged in commercial or commerce, visiting or residing in the city because of its wholesale trading market supplied by nearby factories. During the 2000s, the city's African population rapidly increased, with a 2008 news report stating numbers of Africans residents had increased by 30% to 40% annually. So now I am in Gonju. I'm here to testify to see if Africans are really taking over. So now I'm in Gonju. I'm going to testify by experience that Africans have a lot of large number in Gonju, and in this video we'll see many people residing, doing businesses, living here. Some are students, some are working, while some are living with their family. So follow me along, let's explore this amazing city.
You can see African shop owners. Oh, this is Guangzhou for you guys. Is this Guangzhou or Africa? I don't know. You can see Africans from every part. That was amazing. Welcome to the. So yeah, we'll just buy watermelon. Uh, this side, I really feel at home. The place is really great and amazing, yeah. And you get to see different people from different places. Where mostly I think the French francophone countries are the most here. And I'm very shocked to go to a restaurant. It's like an African restaurant, but they can't speak English, only French. Oh, that's amazing. So even in this place, there are a lot of like some police station because anywhere where black people are there, it needs to be secured to make sure everything are good intact. Yeah, because people, some not all, but some can do anyhow. Yeah, wow, that's amazing. Yeah, we are almost the one dominating this side. Businesses, many things foreign, which is really interesting. Wow, that's amazing. Yeah, mostly the places here are like foods, many variety of things are sold here, and all the people you are seeing here are doing businesses, which is really great. That's amazing. Wow. 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 So, what do you guys think about this amazing site of Gonji? Yeah, you can see even here is our African brothers from different angles. Wow. And at this side, you can see a police station at the entry to make sure things are secure. So I hope this video is helpful. And even now we are going to a place that is called like an African restaurant, which the place has like it's like a Chinese restaurant with a lot of Africans there. Wow. So if you guys find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for amazing content. We are in Guangzhou. I'm gonna bring you guys more and more content here. This is Foreigner. Peace out.